blowing the moon away, lights me up for one more day. The streets are naked, the only sun. The night is behind me, I run and run.
Film of sweat on my face. A little man, his eyes half closed, puts chairs on tables, admires his work, and collects a quarter from the floor. I head over to Broadway, where I watch myself having a slow breakfast, trying to impress the barman with a fresh voice when I ask for the bill.
The sun blowing the moon away, lights me up for one more day.